Welcome to Montblanc in the Swiss Jura Valley. Here the Maisons 2 watch manufactures in Villeret and Le Loc form a unique setup. In Villeret, where innovation has been a tradition since 1858, everything is crafted by hand. Watchmakers create groundbreaking complications of great complexity, like the exo tourbillon, and utmost precision, like the chronograph. This expertise goes beyond Villeret to Le Loc. Here, state-of-the-art technology and traditional handcrafting are combined. New cases, dials, and hands are constructed and assembled before every single watch goes through one final test, running for precisely 500 hours. Only then is a Montblanc timepiece ready to leave the Jura Valley, made with a combined expertise of 2 manufacturers that complement each other like parts of an elaborate movement.